I'll edit it out. I'm just trying to look.
Look like shit. I need to do Fall in.
I'm good.
So seeing your boat videos hadn't eaten a lot of hits.
One of them has actually.
Huh?
One of them, my very first one.
What?
It's gotten about 100 and something views so far.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it about?
Just about my boat, my first boat. You know,
This one?
this boat. Yeah, this boat. You know. Other than that, I mean. Light winds, but moving along nicely. Lake Hartwell today. That's the little Titanic. Okay, come on! There you go. You want to record me a little bit? Hanging out on the boat today, doing a little sailing. Hey, Lake Hartwell today. Pretty cool, you can walk all around. Sweet, man. Let's go. Let's get some side views here.
That looks like DNR. Is that DNR? Can you zoom in?
Not too far, not that far. I got binoculars actually.
I see, yeah, that's DNR, dude. He's got flashy lights on the top.
You sure it's not a flag or something?
It might be drone flag.
Oh, where's he at? Where's he at? There he is.
Is that the man?
Oh, it looks like oh, and it's flashing. Something's flashing right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna be really pissed if we get pulled over. I'm like, oh man. Really?
We're not doing anything.
Yeah, like, you just missed out on us poaching and killing baby eagles.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just dumped 20 gallons of radioactive material into the lake.
Oh.
You just totally missed that.
And then we desecrated the American flag. And
Yeah. That's funny.
I don't know, he's crazy, man.
Grouper.
Oh, I know what you're doing, dude.
What?